both of you are comedians, so crack joke, let us laugh. Starting from Uncle Masha.
She crack joke?
Yes.
Story.
Story.
I was going to work one morning, with my big bag. And I was going, so some boys thought it was money that was inside the bag. And they took the bag and ran away. When they opened the bag, it was ordinary shoe and biscuit. I can crack joke,
You don't even know how to crack jokes, sir. You don't know how to crack joke. If I hear my joke, you laugh. You laugh and be running on the floor. You don't know how to crack joke. Let me crack. One day, like one man climbed tree. As the man that climbed tree, he now fall. His brother now come. No, not the mother. The father now come. Not the father. The sister now come. No, not the sister. The uncle now come. No, the brother now come. Now carry him and go home.
What? Jesus! Funke!
Have you finished? I bet, let's go to bed.
Alright, thanks for watching this very funny video. Please like the video and kindly subscribe to our channel for please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, yeah.